SmartComp Standard Mode. Trusted by quality assurance teams and used by spectrometer manufacturers themselves, SmartComp is an invaluable tool to help identify unknown alloys from their chemical composition. The patented algorithm helps match a composition obtained from analysis against hundreds of thousands of metals inside the database. In standard mode, begin by choosing a base metal. Iron is the default, but can be changed if you are analyzing a nonferrous material. When entering values for the composition, the fastest method is to import a file from Excel. You can also add elements manually. Consider leaving out residual elements, as they might reduce the accuracy of the overall results. The results of the search are listed along with the standard and a measure of similarity. Click on a material and the composition appears to the right for evaluation. To refine the list of results, you can choose a country or specific standard organization. The similarity slider is based on a scale with 1 being identical and 0.5 being least similar. Lower it if you find too few results. Raise it to get more precise matches. You are left with only the most likely candidates. Materials with a similarity value of 1 fit the entered composition completely. If the value is less than 1, click on the material to see the composition, and the elements which do not match will be shown in red. In this example, the vanadium in the composition we entered is lower than in this standard material found by SmartComp. From the results list in SmartComp, it is then possible to forward the materials to advanced search, or go directly to a material to view its complete properties information. If your company has its own lab and you test materials regularly, SmartComp can make your lab run more efficiently and maintain accuracy.